In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make country music in Suno AI. We'll start simple. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and open the official website. We're going to use it to craft a strong style prompt for Suno because a clear, descriptive prompt gives the AI a great blueprint for the sound you want. In ChatGPT, type a request for a country music style prompt. Be specific about mood, tempo, vocals, and instruments. For example, ask for a heartfelt, nostalgic vibe around 95 BPM with soulful male vocals, acoustic guitars, slide guitars, and gentle drums. You can also mention that you want a warm storytelling feel. Submit your request and let ChatGPT generate the style text. When it's ready, highlight the result and copy it to your clipboard. Use Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Now head over to Suno in your browser. Click Create to start a new track. In the Styles field, paste the style prompt you just copied. This tells Suno what genre characteristics, tempo, and instrumentation to lean into, so take a second to make sure it reads cleanly and doesn't rely on artist names or copyrighted references. Next, we need original lyrics. Go back to your ChatGPT tab and ask for country song lyrics that match your style. A good example prompt is to write an original country song about a relationship that changed you. If you like, specify a structure like verses, a memorable chorus, and a short bridge, and keep the tone reflective and warm. Submit and give it a moment to generate. Feel free to tweak the subject to something personal if you have a specific story in mind. When the lyrics are ready, highlight them and copy. Keep them concise, with clear line breaks and simple punctuation so the AI can phrase them naturally. Return to Suno and locate the lyrics box. Paste your lyrics there. Skim for line length and repetition. Trimming long verses or repeating a chorus clearly can help with phrasing. Avoid special symbols or formatting that might confuse the generator. You're set. Click. Create and wait while Suno builds your song. This can take a little time. Once it's done, listen through and notice how the style and lyrics work together. If you want a different feel, refine the style prompt by adjusting mood, tempo, or instrumentation, or tighten the lyrics for a stronger hook, and generate again until it matches your vision. Enjoy crafting your country track in Suno AI